In this video, I'll provide you with a quick tour of how to access and analyze response data in Forms for Confluence. Let's start from the homepage. First, I want to clarify the difference between authors and collaborators. Authors are the original creators of a form, who can then add others as collaborators. On the homepage, you can see forms you have created, as well as forms created by others where you are a collaborator. Adding collaborators is simple, either during the form creation process or by adjusting form configurations for existing forms. Now let's dive into analyzing a specific form's data. By default, you are taken to the summary page, which presents a scrollable view visualizing your data with pie charts and graphs. You can hover over the charts to interact with them and filter the data. You can also filter responses based on specific answer choices and observe the visualizations and response count update accordingly. Clicking on the response count will take you to the Responses tab, displaying only responses that match the filter. On the Responses tab, you can view all your responses in a table format. You have the option to expand all the responses with a single click or view them individually. You can show or hide certain columns and reorder them as needed. Archiving responses is also possible, which moves the selected entries to the Archive tab, removing them from the summary view. That covers analyzing response data from the homepage. Now let me explain the option to mirror the response table view using a dedicated macro. If you want to give visibility to your team regarding response data without adding them all as collaborators, you can utilize this feature. On a Confluence page, use the / command and start typing forms to see the available macros. In this case, select the Responses table macro. Choose a form, select the desired users or all users to display the responses to, and click Embed Responses. Finally, publish the page to display the response table view for anyone to access and view the responses.